We are back at it again here with another video with Invest for Tomorrow. To the first time viewers and investors, welcome to the channel. To all subscribers, welcome back. Here we are with the SPY, the SP 500 index on Friday, continuing to push up higher. And in the volatility, our SPY bot sent a direct notification early on at 8:05 a.m., which did not get canceled till 2:10. And a bear indicator has popped up, something to not ignore here, and hasn't been canceled either going into tomorrow's trading day. But a bull indicator super strong there from 8:05 a.m. in the pre-market into the bell, full strength with those inflows and 42 vision, and call options went up 250% plus within minutes to an hour, guys. If you guys want to receive this clarity and edge over the charts, you can now gain access to it as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 vision indicators, getting connected over to our bots, and joining a community of members using these resources to maximize in either direction. You can now get connected to the clarity and edge that you deserve within the charts and the volatility. The link is down once again in the description down below, as well as the top pinned comment. We look forward to having you join us. So here we are with the SPY, the S&P 500 index, breaking through key resistance levels, coming up towards that 600 level and rejecting back down. And as we saw on that slowdown on the second half of the day, a bear indicator has popped up at 2:10 p.m. on Friday. It hasn't been canceled by a bull indicator. So this consolidation here and going into the pre-market of tomorrow's trading day is going to be crucial for a bull indicator to pop up and retest the resistance levels to continue. If not, we could start to head and touch key support levels. And we're going to look at this here within these charts and the key levels to watch going into tomorrow. We're also seeing here a full transition so far from bright green bars down to red bars, and from red bars back up to bright green bars. So if this is your first time coming across the channel, this is 42 vision, which allows us to see the dips from the rips to the dips, and where the strength and weakness lies within the charts. And we also use our bull and bear indicators and inflow versus outflow as an extra layer of confirmation, which I'm going to pull up here and you can now gain access to as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 vision indicator, getting connected over to our bots and becoming part of a growing community of investors, all looking to learn and grow together by receiving this clarity and edge over the charts and using these resources to maximize in either direction, whether stocks are going up or going down. And in today's video, I'm going to pull up the inflow versus outflow indicator, which adds that extra layer of confirmation and gives us that edge within the volatility. So here we are with the SPY, the S&P 500 index, back under a bull indicator on Friday at the 592 level, canceling out that bear indicator that popped up at 593.40. And there had been a bull indicator that lasted since Tuesday, down from 581 up to the 590s, coming up and breaking through key resistance levels here on Friday and testing to approach 600. Lots of eyes on 600, lots of speculation that it's going to try to touch it to start the week or at some point this week if the strength continues, and even if it consolidates in a tight range between 597 to 595 all the way up to 599, somewhere around there before breaking out and touching 600. Or will the slowdown begin here? This is where it gets crucial, and we're going to look at a few reasons why. So on lower time frames, we saw that bear indicator once again that popped up on the 5-minute and sent it straight to our Discord. That notification, it's still there and effective since 598. And then also the 15-minute, there's a bear indicator in the after hours. That's the lower time frames. But when we zoom out and look at this from the 1 hour, a bull indicator is still holding true here. So that's just volatility right now since 583. So any pullback is not justifiable if these bear indicators don't start to pull up on larger time frames, because you could see this was a pullback here on Thursday. It held up support above 589, 590, and then it just pushed right back up to break through resistance. But the bigger picture is the 1 hour, right? We just saw that chart, and then comes the 1 day. The 1 day has now confirmed a bull indicator. We have seen the SPY come back up multiple times and reject, because this bear indicator was in effect since 606, and none of these pushback up were justifiable if a bull indicator had not popped up. This makes it all different. We have a bull indicator that has confirmed now on Friday. And now, in this whole entire move from down here at 590 all the way up to 599, it could try to hold itself up. And that's why these support levels are going to be crucial between 596 and 595 and create an inside bar before the next leg up if this bull indicator is going to take over and dominate over the chart. And we want to see the lower time frames align with that. We have bear indicators again on the 15-minute, on the 5-minute, and on the 30-minute. It hasn't popped up yet, and if it doesn't, that can quickly switch things around and hold itself up to test key resistance levels. And on the 4-hour, there's been a bull indicator since down here at 582, and we did see a full transition from the dip area to multiple rip areas, and we're up here testing key resistance levels based off the history of the chart, which is 600 and up towards 602, and then comes up towards 605 to 606. So that one day has changed everything, and we want to see these inflows follow as well. So what are the key levels I'll be watching? Well, the first thing is support, guys, and that's 596 to 595. If that gets broken through and a bear indicator pops up and cancels out this bull indicator, then comes 593 to the upside. We want to see 598, 599 get broken through, 600, and then hit that 602 and 605 levels based off the history of the chart here, up towards 602.30 to be exact, and where that bear indicator popped up near 606 and 605. So these are the key levels I'll be watching to the upside and to the downside. I'm going to be watching those bull and bear indicators very carefully and those inflow versus outflows. And if you guys want to get connected to 42 Vision, you can now gain access to it as well. The link is down below in the description to gain the clarity and edge that you deserve. And we look forward to having you join us. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching, and let's make some money.